In this lesson, we're going to look at a first regular expression for matching URLs. And I say a first regular expression because this will be a fairly simple regular expression that will match just about any valid URL. And the way we're going to consider a URL valid is by making sure that the URL has either HTTPS : or FTP : or file : as the first part of the URL, followed by 2 slashes and then a domain of some type. Later in the course, we'll expand on that regular expression to make it more complex and to truly weed out incompatible or invalid URLs from valid URLs. So first, let me show you the data file that we're going to be matching against. So we have some URLs that start with HTTPS : or FTP : and then we have a couple that do not. And you have to understand that a truly valid URL will start with the protocol, followed by : //. We've gotten used to, over the years, allowing our browser to fill in that part of the URL for us to make it easier to browse the internet. But in terms of being valid or invalid, the URL really does have to start with the protocol. So those are the files we'll be matching against. Now let's take a look at the Java program that we're going to use in this case. So this is a very standard Java program that we've used before. In fact, all I did was change the class name from something else. The file that we're reading from is urls.txt, and then we're simply going to loop through and display all the matches that we find. So all we have to do to make this program work is fill in the regular expression. So here's how it goes. We start off by anchoring at the beginning of the file. Then we're going to have a group that will consist of looking at either HTTPS or FTP or file as the 3 protocol types. So we close the group, we match a literal : we match 2 literal slashes. We allow just about anything to come after the slashes by using the period plus sign, and then we anchor on the end of the string by including a $sign. So as you can see, this is a very simple regular expression. So let's save the file, go back to our command prompt, compile it, and then run it. And you'll see that for the URLs that have a protocol, it found a match. For the URLs that did not have a protocol, it did not match. So to look at that URL again, all we have to do is specify one of a possible protocol of 3, followed by : // and then match just about anything else. And as I promised, we will, in further lessons, make this regular expression a bit more complex. But for now, this is an easy way to find a URL in a block of text of some type.